So today we are going to study about the inequation greater than or equal to sign. A quadratic equation is given to be like this: 2x square minus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So it contains two inequality sign here. One is greater than, the second one inequality, that is equality sign, is equals to. To understand this one, the two things, first of all, two things should be known here. One is called as a open set and closed set, because for greater than it is very important here. Closed set, what is the meaning of an open set and a closed set? For example, 1 less than x less than 2 is given here, means it's continue, the values won't takes 1 and 2. So this 1 is not included and 2 is not included here. These type of things are taken to be as a open set. So the limits are not considered here, they are excluded. For example, the same thing is considered here as less than or equals to 2. The meaning is that what 1 is also included, means 1 is also satisfies. The equation should be considered starting value is 1 and ending value is 2. So this type of things are said to be as a closed set. For this one we are using the square brackets, for this one we are using the parentheses. Now we are going to study about the greater than or equal to 0. So you need to understand these two important things, that is open set and closed set. Then we'll start the confirmation about the problem. So we will, first of all, we'll go for the factorization of the given quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So 2x square, already we studied that whatever may be the thing, first of all we will go for the equality sign. Then what are the roots or the solutions which satisfies the given equation? Then afterwards we will go for the second inequalities. So 2x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Then we will go for the factorization, that is 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then from the first two terms, I will take 2x as a common, then x minus 2 and plus 1 as a common, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 1 is multiplied by x minus 2 is equals to 0. Corresponding to write down the quadratic inequation here, that is 2x square minus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. What are the factors for this one? That is 2x plus 1 is the first factor, x minus 2 is the second factor greater than or equal to 0. Then here equal to is there, means the two values are satisfying. What are the two values? Means x is equals to minus 1 by 2 is also satisfied here, x is equals to 2 is satisfied here. Now confirm the one thing here. So plus into plus is greater than 0, minus into minus is plus, that is also greater than 0. I need to take x value such that it should be negative value here, then ultimately it will be also negative value. So a negative is multiplied by a negative, ultimately it gives us a positive value. So x is less than minus 1 by 2. Then it becomes as a negative value. If I take here a positive value, then x is greater than 2. Then this is a positive value. Ultimately, this is also a positive value. Therefore, a positive value into a positive value will result to a positive value which is greater than 0. That is our two things. Then draw the number line here. Then we will keep a point here. Here it is 0. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. Then it is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 will be here. That is minus 0.5. This is minus 1. Then if I take a negative value, that is x less than 0, that is minus 1 by 2, then ultimately it satisfies like this, minus 1, minus 2. Then you can go for the substitution here also. For example, 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3 greater than 0. That is the first condition you need to understand. Go for the second thing here. X greater than 2 means I will take x is equals to 3. We will simplify here. X is equals to 3. Greater than 3, that is 2. Then I will take here 3 here. Then 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3 minus 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. That is 7 into 1. That is greater than 0. It is satisfying like this. So our solution set is, it is starting from the negative value and including minus 1 by 2. So I should keep the closed bracket here. Union, it is starting with 2 values. So the closure bracket 2. Continuation up to the infinity value. So our solution set belongs to, x belongs to open set of minus infinity, comma, the closed set of minus 1 by 2, union, closed set of 2, infinity, open set. Because minus 1 by 2 is satisfying, 2 is satisfying because it has an equality sign. And excluding of these two, if you are going to substitute, then it goes for the greater than sign. Here we took a is not equals to 1. That is our problem. And a is positive. In the next case, we will go for the simplification of a is negative. So cases will be the same, just only small things will be different. Just we understand this concept.